Hey guys, Logan here. So today I want to talk about attraction marketing in network marketing and why you need to be doing attraction marketing, because it is one of the most important tools in growing your business, especially as we get into 2021 and beyond, especially with so many people online, a lot of people still staying at home and learning how to work from home and loving working from home. So I want to give you a 3-step formula for attraction marketing success in your network marketing business today. Now, if you haven't heard of attraction marketing yet, or maybe you've just heard someone talk at an event about it, heard someone talk on a Zoom call, maybe you've seen the ads come up in your Facebook or your Instagram as you're scrolling, whatever it is, I want to just quickly give you the background on what attraction marketing is and why it's so important. And then we'll actually get into the 3-step process. So that 3-step process is very simple. It's just a matter of going through it and then getting started. Now, before we even get started on that subject, you will not be perfect, okay? When you set up your own attraction marketing formula or attraction marketing funnel, your posting system, whatever it is, understand that you will evolve and adjust over time. So don't worry about being perfect. Go through the 3 steps that we talk about, but watch what happens. Watch the response you get. Watch the engagement you get. Watch the comments that you get. And just know that you got to get started before you're perfect, okay? So don't get too caught up in the theory. I'm just going to give you the framework. But before we get there, what is attraction marketing and why is it so important? So I'm just going to draw a little quick diagram, okay? The triangle looks like a pyramid, right? But this is buying habits of the consumer out there, and this is no matter what industry you're in, whatever product you're selling, and this is network marketing versus traditional business. This is, restaurants versus fast food versus weight loss versus gyms, whatever it is, okay? At any one time, we have about 60% of people that don't particularly care. So we'd say that they're not problem aware and they're not solution aware. So if you're in weight loss or something, you've got 60% of people out there that do not feel they have a problem with their weight. Now, whether you agree with that or not, it doesn't matter. They're not interested in changing. If you have an energy drink, if you have essential oils, if you have coffee, whatever you have, if it's a financial service, 60% of people are in a position and they're comfortable and they just want to stay there. Okay, so we're not going to worry too much about that. On the other side of the coin, we have about 3% of people who are ready to buy straight away. Now, what we do when we join network marketing, we get excited, we buy our pack, we get some results, and we generally share them with all our friends and family. We're ignorance on fire, we verbally vomit, we put it all over our social media, and we do all the things we're told not to do. But it works. For a little while it works, because if you know 100 people, 3% of them are ready and interested to buy what you sell, whatever that product is. If you know 1,000 people, probably 30 of them are ready right now. Now, so it just works enough just to get you started. Now, if you knew 1,000 people, you can't build an empire of 30 people, right? But you can get started. Now, so these are the 3% who are ready to buy. So you can put up a before and after, you can put up a join me post, you can put up like a bit of a sales long copy post, whatever it is, 3% are ready, okay? Pure sales. But we want to talk about this missing group here. So we have about 37% of people, and they're broke up into about 20% of people are aware that they have a problem, and 17% of people are actively looking for info. So pure maths, we've got 3% here and we've got 37% here. We have 12 times more the amount of people here than sitting up here ready to buy. Now, these are the people we want to attract with attraction marketing. So when you come out and you burn through your warm market, you tell all your friends and family, a handful of people sign up. Then we move into our cold market, even more important, because for every 100 people you meet, actually 3% are ready. So if you're just I want to talk to everyone, I want to be out there telling everyone everything, you're trying to do all of this and you're dealing with a lot of people who just don't care. Okay, it's nothing against you, it's nothing against your product, it's nothing against our industry. They just don't particularly care right now. So that's why you hear on stage people say, everyone will want this, go out and tell everyone. And then you go out and tell everyone and you discover quite quickly that not everyone wants it. You know, a lot of these people here, and some of these people who, you know, they know there's a problem, but they don't think you're the solution that they go for. So what we want to do with attraction marketing is work on this 37% of people. Now, how do we do that? So the 3-step process. So the first step is we need to know our avatar, okay? Who is our ideal customer? So if you represent a product, you represent a company, you do more than just represent a company, right? You provide solutions. And who do you provide solutions to? Someone specific. And this is super important, again, because if you want to please everyone, you send very mixed messages out there. And the only thing that can please everyone is pizza. If you try and please everyone, it's exhausting. You end up increasing the amount of no's you're going to get, first of all. You spend a lot of time trying to meet all these people, trying to sell them your product, but there's no actual connection. So in marketing, they talk about niche marketing. In network marketing, we talk about your avatar or your ideal customer. Who is the person that you want to work with that you can provide a solution to? Now, the biggest hint, this is quite easy. Your ideal customer is you. Who were you before you found your company, or who were you before you found your product? And then you got the result, and you can show how you were your very own before and after. And that is so important, because this is where attraction marketing is really important. These people before, these 37% of people who are aware that there's a problem and they're starting to gather info, they're going to find an authority. Someone they can relate to, someone who's been through what they've done, and someone can help them get that result that you've just got. So this is why you are your best avatar and you are your ideal customer. And we just need to step up and own that. You speak the language, you understand the pain, you understand the suffering. As a male, I wouldn't try and find new mums trying to lose weight as an ideal customer, because I don't speak that language. I've had kids, but I didn't actually go through the process of having kids. My wife did that. She understands all the challenges that goes with that. She can speak to that market. Now, from here, as we say, what is the solution that avatar wants? So again, we don't sell products, we sell solutions. And I remember learning this about 15 years ago in my traditional business days, where it was a hypothetical question at an event once. And the speaker said, if you owned a restaurant, what is the most important thing in a restaurant? Is it food? Is it service? Is it ambience? Is it location? Is it price? None of those. The most important thing is that there's a starving crowd of people. You could have the greatest restaurant with the best food, reasonably priced in a beautiful location by the beach, but if no one's hungry, no one's coming to your restaurant. No one's going to buy your amazing product. So what is the solution that you offer this ideal customer? So if you have, energy drinks, are you working with new mums to help them have the energy to get through the day naturally? Something like that. If you're in skincare, are you helping people look younger without having to use needles or something like that? What is the solution that you offer your ideal customer? These are the two questions you need to ask first. You don't sell a product, you sell a solution to a customer. And the clearer you get with that, the more success you will have. It is so important. Final one is now we need to reach out to those people. We need to build ourselves as an authority. We need to build ourselves up as someone who knows who this avatar is, because it's us, and we have a solution to the problem that they have. And we know what that problem is because we have been through it. We've experienced the challenge, we know what to do, and we need to go speak to the market now. So we're going to use a very simple LVR ruling. So LVR rule, I should say. L is lifestyle. So about 40% of your posts, 40 to 50% of your posts are you being you. You as a new mum, you as a busy dad, you as a young guy who's helping people with finances, you as a young couple living freedom, living in a van and traveling the world and all those sorts of things. You're showing your lifestyle as this avatar. Then again, around 40 to 50% is here in the value section. So now you're going to start providing value about the problem and the solution. What is the problem that this avatar has? What problems do my customers have? So if you're talking weight loss and you're talking to busy mums, they don't have enough time to exercise. So maybe you can provide some simple exercises you can do at home around the kids. If you're in skincare, people don't, what foods can I eat to avoid breakouts, stuff like that. Little valuable solutions so these people see you as the authority. Like, you know what, Andrew's not just some salesman, Andrew's providing me value about the problem that I have. And then over here, the final 10%, we got sort of 40 to 50 here, 40 to 50 here, and then the 10% is results. So we put up results to speak about how we help someone else with this problem solve that problem. Now, if all you're doing is results, all you're doing is speaking to this person. If your Facebook feed, if your Instagram, if your Pinterest, whatever it is nothing but results, you'll only get the 3% of people who are ready. You want to talk to these people, and when they're ready, guess who they're coming to? Who understands them better than anyone else? Who speaks their language better than anyone else? Who knows the exact problem that they're going through better than anyone else? You. And who can help them actually get that result when they're ready? You. So guys, that's the 3-step process to attraction marketing. This is why it's so important. Gary Vaynerchuk talks about jab, 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 and then the right hook, okay? Set them up, give them value, speak to them in their language, and then right hook. Remember, you do not need to be perfect because you will learn, you will grow, and you will adapt. But the big thing is that your imperfection, the struggles that you have, all the challenges that you have, are the exact same things that your avatar are having. So be real, be you, speak to your avatar as your person, show that you can provide solutions, give results, and you will have amazing success in network marketing. You will never be short of people to talk to, and you will grow a huge business, and I wish you the greatest success. So if I can ever help, just reach out to me through the social links or drop a comment below. Any questions you have. Until next time, guys.